We're going to start our EVP. We've tried to live record it, but unfortunately there's just, this is like a bomb shelter in here. There's literally just brick. So we're not able to get a signal, but we are going to record this and upload it when we get back to the MH headquarters. And we're going to start with our EVP, and we're going to begin. And we have 2 recording devices, so hopefully we'll capture something on one of them. And we're going to start by asking, is there anyone here?
Is there anybody here with us? If there's anybody here, can you make a noise?
Give it a second. And don't move around. Go stand by the furnace so I can get a shot of you. Stand by the furnace. Okay. Restart that recording one more time, and then let me ask the question.
Hold on.
What?
Hold on. I just feel creeped out.
Get over there. You feel creeped out. Get over there. Okay. Is there
It's off right now, right?
No, it's on. Is there anybody here? Have you got it on? Is there anybody here? What is your name? Did you die here? Get back there and be quiet. Did you die here? Were you murdered here? Can you give us a sign? Any sign? What is your name? Did you die here? I'm going to ask a question just in case they like you better.
Is there anybody here with us?
I think that's a dog.
Yeah. If there's anybody here, can you make a noise into the microphone? Or make a noise in general? Any noise?
What is your name? What year is it? I'll let you go first.